I will answer this question at the end of my video, but first, can I rant? I think that we've been seduced by interior design labels. I think that we want to put everything in a box, in a category, and I think we've spent too much time on HGTV and Pinterest. I know I have. And really, I want to just give you tips on how to create a beautiful space. So tip number one is it's about balance. And one of the things that I've done in this home, I love antiques, but my home isn't filled with them. It's just a few antique pieces in each space, or things that look antique. Second, your home should reflect you, and a great place to start is your closet. So look at the textures, look at the colors in your closet, and then help that inform what you buy for your home. And then finally, it's about cohesion. So I love a neutral palette. That's the direction I went here. And I added a few muted colors similar to my closet in the home. Let me know if I should do a part 2.